ideation since his phone's now up. There's going to be Ivan's mail.
What was that?
She popped off. Well, the thing is, the girl's over here, but it happened next door, so she's coming out. She's coming out. And then the girl that popped off a couple rounds, I guess she got her license plate, but they had.
Is that the girl? You know?
That looks like her. Yeah. But Shelly can tell you. I didn't witness anything. I just heard a couple of things.
Hello. Officer Blackman, Jacksonville Police Department. What's going on?
I got.
Oh crap!
This with. I have a bump, a whelp right here. Well, right here and here.
Yeah.
She pistol whipped me and she pistol whipped her baby daddy that actually drove off with her. And he was bleeding everywhere.
Okay, where'd she shoot at?
She was. You see where this red car was? She was sitting right there, which I think there's a camera out there. I'm not sure.
Which car?
Where that red car is, that's where she was sitting, and she shot around up in the air, and then she came towards me, and because he was still holding on to me, and I'm like, hell no, because I mean I'm drunk right now, I'm hostile, and I was like, hell no, if you're gonna shoot around, my daddy taught me different, shoot the bitch. And she came up to me like this, and I didn't think she was gonna do anything, and she went like this and hit me in the face with it. So yeah, that's her.
Okay.
Yeah. She hit me in the face with it, and then so I hit her back, and she went on the ground, and while she was on the ground, she pointed at me, and I said, shoot it, bitch. And I swear to God, I thought she was about to shoot it, because she had her hand on the trigger. She was going to shoot it. She ended up getting up, and then she pistol whipped him too, and he was bleeding all out of the side of his eye and everything.
Okay, so what were y'all into it about, or was it just because you?
He sent me a video of my car and said, fuck you, bitch. So I came outside and I was seeing if he was out here.
The other dude she was with?
Yeah, Cheston Bridges.
That's the guy she was with?
Yes, that's her baby daddy.
Okay, why did he send you a picture of your car?
He's my ex.
He's your ex?
Yes.
Okay.
And so I was coming out here to see if he was out here messing with my vehicle.
Right.
And I was standing right here and he was coming this way, and I'm like, what are you doing here? And he was like, I'm coming to shoot some pool. And I'm like, who are you with? And he was like, nobody. I'm like, who are you with? He said, my baby mama. Well, I'm like, okay, whatever, you can leave with her. And then he like grabbed me up and like gave me a kiss, and she got out of the car and she shot up in the air.
Okay.
And then that's when all that shit happened.
Okay, and then she shot up in the air, and then after she shot in the air,
she came to me.
She started walking towards you.
She came to me, and she was
with the gun?
Yes, she had it right here.
She had it down by her side?
She had it by her side, and she was holding her finger on the trigger.
Okay.
She had it by her side, holding the finger on the trigger. And then I didn't think she was going to do anything. I was just talking shit, and I said, my daddy taught me different. If you're going to shoot it, shoot it.
Was she saying anything when she was walking up to you? Or?
No, she didn't say nothing. And then that's when she went, bam. That's why I wasn't expecting it. She went, bam. And so then I fought her, and she fell on the ground. And while she was on the ground, she was leaning like this, and she was pointing at me, and I said, shoot it, bitch, shoot it. And she didn't shoot it.
And then she got up and then left?
She got up, and then she pistol whipped him.
Pistol whipped him? She
pistol whipped him, and then he was bleeding out the face, and he was like, oh my God, oh my God.
And then they got in the car and left?
Yeah, they got in the car and left.
Did they ever shoot again after that, or?
No, sir.
No, okay. Alright. You mind writing a statement for me?
I will, because I want to press charges.
Okay, absolutely. I got a lot of Alright, so here's what we're going to do.
2305.
Alright. So I'm going to give you a pin here. I'm going to explain it to you. So you're going to fill out all these top boxes with your occurring information, okay? You're going to fill out the narrative. You're going to be super detailed in what you just told me. It was a fantastic, super detailed, so I need you to write that all in there.
Okay.
So it's just basically going to start off with your ex-boyfriend, put his name, sent you a picture, and like I said, you can write exactly what he said, you know, fuck you, bitch, things like that. You came outside to make sure you wouldn't mess with your car, conversation y'all had, the kiss he gave you, her getting out of the car, shooting it in the air, walking towards you, not saying anything, then her pistol whipping you with the pistol, all got into a fight, getting up, pistol whipping him, and then pointing the gun at you, and then getting in the car and leaving, okay?
Okay, yes, sir. Do I need my driver's license? Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you can. Let me get you this. If you want to go inside and work on it, that way you can sit down, you're more than welcome to do that,
I'll
okay?
just sit in my car.
Okay.
Right here.
Which one, you in the Impala?
Impala.
Okay. Huh?
Is it the guy that comes in?
No.
Who's the guy?
It was. Hey, what was the guy? What was the guy's name again?
Yeah, the show.
Guy's name again?
Cheston Bridges.
Cheston Bridges.
Yeah, he's on probation.
Cheston Bridges.
Run him and see where he lives.
Yes.
I know his sister's address.
Where's he
Or
at?
I don't know the address, but I know his sister's name, and that's where he does live.
Where's he live at?
BB.
I
I did have the cops go to his
I showed her.
house.
I showed her
Well,
that.
if you want to also notify BB, then try to get an app. Okay, so she shot the gun, not him.
Yeah, that's what I said. We didn't. Yeah, we
didn't
will.
do it.
Yeah,
He said that the guy shot the gun.
No, he
Oh.
got pistol
Yeah.
whipped after me, and then after she pistol whipped me, I fought her and she fell on the ground, and then she pointed it at me, and I told her to shoot it, and and yes, that's him. He's a little bit skinnier now, but I thought she was about to shoot it
he
at
has
me,
an address out of Brinkley.
and she ended up standing up after she did
He has an
that.
address out of Brinkley too, and that was.
Yeah. He's on probation in White
If
County
you want
right
to
now.
let them know, we're going to have aggravated assault charges.
More than 9mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
One's spent, the other one's
It was
not.
it was black and purple gun.
Oh, then
Black.
it's definitely hers.
Yeah, it was black and purple. I know it for sure was hers. Because he even told me, he said, you better watch out because she's got a gun. And I said, I don't fucking care. Like, what? Because, I mean, I've been drinking. I mean, I'm not going to take no bullshit. And if my daddy told me that better. But when she was on the ground after I fought her and she pointed the gun at me, she had her finger on the trigger. And I really did think she was about to shoot me. But she ended up standing up and she walked to him and fucking pistol whipped him and he started bleeding everywhere.
Where exactly?
I didn't bleed.
Yeah. Where were you standing at?
There's a truck in this area with the rear end sticking out in the road.
Well, the car is parked where he's on the
2310.
Yeah. I was trying to figure out where she was standing at.
It literally happened right here.
Right here.
She shot the gun out she got out of the driver's side and shot it up in the air and she came straight here to us.
Now, where were
So
you
was
at?
he
Where were you at when you gave him?
He was bleeding right here.
No, you said it was a lot. Was it like falling on the ground or just bleeding?
No, he was just bleeding from his face.
Where
right
were you
here.
at when he gave you a kiss?
Right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And were you walking out of there or out of here?
I was walking out of
Out of
here.
here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm like, what are you doing here? You need to go home. You can go back with her or whatever.
Yeah.
And then he like grabbed me by the waist and gave me a kiss. And that's when she got out of the car. She didn't get all the way out of the car. She stuck her leg out of the car and she shot up in the air. And then she got out of the car and came straight to me. She didn't say nothing. It was I seen the gun, which he already warned me that she had a gun before she got out of the car. And I thought he was joking.
You might as well like notify state that she may be on her way to Brinkley then.
Oh yeah, she's most definitely probably on her way to bring, or they're gonna get a hotel somewhere right now.
Yeah.
Because he already knows the cops are probably gonna come to his sister's house or her house.
Yeah. We'll get all that. If you don't mind working on that statement for me,
Yes, sir,
and then
sure.
once you get that done, I'm gonna take pictures of like the knot you got and all that. Okay. All right, cool. 34. Can you also notify state of that vehicle just in case they're possibly on the freeway and right to Brinkley?
Oh boy.
You said one wasn't shot?
Yeah, no, one wasn't shot.
Yeah, I was about to say, you confused me when you said that. I was like, we ain't got charges on him.
Well, because on dispatch it says no.
Oh, yeah.
It says
Yeah.
hand gun, so we would have this
Yeah,
term city limit.
Yeah, but yeah, no, she, I talked to her, yeah, it's just all gonna be the girl. But we've identified both of them, so I showed her both pictures, and she said, yeah, that's them, so.
10-4, 341, you copy.
What was the tag number?
It's in my call.
2312.
It's you something. I get the 2020 Nissan Murano gray, so it matches description. Nah, not really. I mean, I just gotta.
Let's see if they got video footage. Over here.
Yeah, there's a camera right there. Yeah, wait on me. I'll walk up there with you. It's gonna be so. If you can you see where like the
That's pointing that way.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's going to be about where that red car is parked.
the closest one that
So-
might be able to see something is the one on the far corner over there, and I don't even know if it's really going to be able to
Can you
see.
Can you look at? Can you look at the
No,
cameras?
I can't see it.
And he left.
Yeah. No, I can't see him.
Yeah. Awesome. We appreciate you. We just thought we'd have that. I appreciate you. Well, found a spent shell case. Gunshot was fired. Gonna have battery third, aggravated assault.
2319.
Huh?
So what?
I said we're gonna have ag assault, battery third, gunshot was fired. Found the spent shell casing.
Shot in the air at him.
Shot in there.
Who did that? The suspect? They did get his butt whooped afterwards and pulled a gun or something?
Nah, so what it was is, so it's a new girlfriend, ex-girlfriend drama. So she was here, or no, she
was a girl suspect?
Huh? Yeah,
Oh, wow.
yeah, girl suspect. Yeah. So what it was is, she was here in Drunken Monkey. Her ex-boyfriend showed up with his baby mama. They were parked right there, literally where Bradder's car is at,
Yeah.
but pulled up, and her ex-boyfriend walked up to the back of her car, took a picture at it, sent it to her, said, "Fuck you, bitch." She walked outside to make sure he wasn't fucking with her car. He saw her. They walked right here, started talking. She asked him, "What are you doing here?" He said, "Oh, I'm here with my baby mama." Well, ex-boyfriend kissed her in front of baby mama right there. Baby mama got out the car mad, had a gun in her hand, fired a round in the
She
air.
came with the one girl, but he kissed the other girl?
Yeah. Fired a round into the air.
I need you to look up that girl's name so we can get BB address, because that's probably where they're headed. It's hitting on Flock and BB.
Yeah, I did, but she has a Brinkley address, not a BB address. They're both out of Brinkley.
What about
See
the,
any cars?
what about that license plate?
Yeah.
Brinkley too.
It's Brinkley too. The car is Brinkley too.
Well, they're probably headed to BB.
Okay, I found the car. and
BB
all
have
that.
RMS like us? They can check and see if they have a history with her?
So BB actually did find. BB found her.
Yeah.
So anyway, so she got out the car. She fired a shot in the air, and then so she mouthed off to the girl, "Well, I was taught by my daddy, if you're gonna do it all the way. Just go ahead and shoot me." So she got out the car. They were standing right here when it happened. She walked up to her, and then she took the gun. She walked to her by her side, took the gun, pistol whipped her in the side of the head. She's got knots on the side of her head right now. And then they got into a fight. The suspect fell on the ground. She pulled the gun up, pointed at her, said she had the finger on the trigger, and she told the suspect, "Go ahead, do it, shoot me." She didn't. She got back up. She pistol whipped her baby daddy for kissing her, and then they got in the car and left.
What's her name?
I got it pulled up on that list.
I have her.
It's Micaiah.
I looked her up on Facebook.
Yeah, Micaiah Burrow. Micaiah Burrow. That's her.
McKenna Burrow.
That's her Atlas photo. She said it was
She
a
said the
purple
gun
and
is
black, purple and black
so
handgun.
That's easy to find.
So we got Agasol, battery third because she pistol whipped her, got injury, and then unlawful discharge of firearm in city limits.
So what the hell state doing? They've been up and down this road today. Like, left and right. The big Tahoes, left and right. I kept thinking it was him. Kept seeing my mirror. But then he asked for another unit. And I was like, Crowder was just right
I think
there.
I saw him down Marshall Road like 4 times tonight.
Oh, I was advised to tell all y'all by the owner of Drunken Monkey that if y'all are hungry, y'all can get anything off the menu on the house for free. They're giving y'all food. Anything for free.
What's on that menu?
Well, she brought it out here.
Anything.
But
So if y'all want food, they're giving away free food.
Is there a termination letter on there? When I order from a certain section?
So,
I'd rather not.
yeah, that's what we got right now. So Agasol, battery third, and unlawful discharge. And the suspect's that girl. She did it all.
Excuse me. I don't know how to work it.
I won't give you no trouble.
Nah, I appreciate it. You've been cool with me, so that's what I'm saying. I said I'll cooperate with you. I was like, make it, as comfortable as I can for you. I'm gonna set this up front and then I'll buckle you up quick.